shopping haul na ako while shopping. Here mag-shopping haul. I do the shopping haul while I do my shopping. Ayan guys, may mga sushi din sila dito. Ito ay salmon. Ito ay sashimi fish. At ito naman ay jellyfish salad, seaweed salad, scallop salad. Ito meron silang yellowfin tuna. Sarap tong yellowfin tuna. At meron din silang tiger prawn. At meron silang $30 sa itong kanilang Sydney Rock oyster. Mukhang masasarap to Susunod matikman niya. Meron silang mussels, may octopus. Susunod magluluto ako nitong octopus for Japanese pizza. 15 meron silang scallop. Ito mixed seafood. Sarap to Ito mixed seafood siya. Ito sardines fillet. Masarap tong i-ano sa suka. Ano bang tawag din sa suka? Kinilaw. Masarap sa kinilaw. Ito fresh sardines. 250 plus. How many kilo in here? Nasa 1 kilo ba siya? Fresh ang ano yan. Hindi silang fresh tuna steak. Yan ang mga na-miss ko sa Japan. Yung ganyang tuna steak. Paborito ko yan. Tsaka ito. Snapper bowl. Ano sa kanila itong islang itong snapper for New Year's, birthday, Christmas. Kumbaga celebration fish nila ito. Good luck fish. Ito naman ito pala ang ramen. Ganda dito. Fresh talaga ang ano nila. Siguro hapon ang ano nito. May araw nito. Fresh dito. Yan ang mga sushi. I just
Philippines.
Parang look like ano ka na? Look like Chinese or.
Pasado ako dito.
Alright. Thank you. They're in the Vietnamese food. Yeah, they have Vietnamese restaurant here. Ano kayang gagawin ko dito sa buhok ko? Dapat ko ma-reband hindi pala pwede reband kapag may color. Dapat ata kapag may color. Ano nga ba? Naka-jacket ako. Nakalimutan ko yung pink na jacket ko. Buti nasa car ko to. Brazilian ba? Kapag may hair color. Ang pang treatment. Brazilian nga, diba? Okay. Buti dala ko to. Good that I have this jacket inside the car. I forgot my pink one. This is more warmer. It's a warm one. So I got this Vietnamese food. What happened to this? from dyan.
I'm saying sorry for the sake of
Hello,
us.
waterside.
It wasn't my everything to even nothing. And it's taking me a lot to say. Now that he's gone, my heart is missing something. And it's time to push
Ewan
my
ko kung lake to o river to. Walang suklayan, guys. Padaan to show the views. Ganyan siya. To the other side ng mga residential din. Dito kami nag-fishing nun ng mga bata. Tapos ito, road na to. Duro pag may nag-fishing, magpuan. May mga bato-bato siya. May mga ibon na lumilipat. Dito kami nag-fish ng fishing. Picnic.
I'm saying sorry for the sake of us. Yeah, it wasn't my everything to even nothing, and it's taking me a lot to say. Now that he's gone, my heart is missing something, and it's time to push my pride away. 'Cause you are my everything. I'm saying sorry for the sake of us. Yeah, it wasn't my everything to even nothing, and it's taking me a lot to say. Now that he's gone, my heart is missing something, and it's time to push my pride away. 'Cause you are my everything.
Hello. May vending machine din sila dito, guys. Ganda ng club nila dito. May elevator. Ayun yung reception. Yan ang kanilang club dito. Meron silang mga medal sa war and uniform. Probably yung old days army uniform. Medallions. They have medallions. Here. Memory of Leonard Francis Ellis. Ang dami nilang may bakya din, oh. Same as Philippines. Yan ang kanilang club dito. Ay, mukha akong bruha. Kunin na natin ang ating OTP today. Yan. Ang key dress. Pagaling natin. restaurant. Ito naman ay ayan, meron silang dito, tapos meron silang stage doon. At siguro may mga bingo-bingo. Ang ganda ng bar nila. Ganda ng ilaw. Ganda ng dress ko. Gagana kaya? Gagana. First floor. Grabe ang aking. Good. Ito yung mga ano nila. Ito yung mga, ayan yung hagdan kanina sa baba. Ayan yung sa baba. Tapos, dito ang kanilang restaurant. Yan ang restaurant. Ito ang game. Libot pa tayo. Libot pa tayo. Hindi ko alam kung pwedeng kumuha rito, guys. Yan ang kanilang restaurant. Meron silang skiing bracelet. Ano kaya ang ano nila dito? Sabay salamin ko. Mukhang Italian food siya. Maya na guys, hindi ko alam kung pwede kumuha ng video dito. Yung kanila siguro ng restaurant. Ito naman ay ayan, meron silang dito, tapos meron silang stage doon. At siguro may mga bingo-bingo. Ang ganda ng bar nila. Ganda ng ilaw. Ganda ng dress ko. Gagana kaya? Gagana. First floor. Grabe ang aking. Good. Ito yung mga ano nila. Ito yung mga, ayan yung hagdan kanina sa baba. Ayan yung sa baba. Tapos, dito ang kanilang restaurant. Yan ang restaurant. Ito ang game. Libot pa tayo. Libot pa tayo. Hindi ko alam kung pwedeng kumuha rito, guys. Yan ang kanilang restaurant. Meron silang skiing bracelet. Ano kaya ang ano nila dito? Sabay salamin ko. Mukhang Italian food siya. Maya na guys, hindi ko alam doon. Pwede kumuha ng video dito. Yan. Ang teenager. Pagaling natin. This is my dress. Ayan, luto na siya. Now time to butter my bread. Hi, Sean. Look at my sizzling plate. I got from Erina. So, put in the bed. Put in the bed. I have a toast, cheese, and tomato sauce with my egg in a sizzling plate. Shano, look at that. Sizzling plate. Next time, steak na yan. Laman yan. Yan guys. Malasadong itlog sa sizzling plate. Hindi ko na shopping haul. I'm in a hurry for eating because I've been busy. Our OT day for today. Okay, waiting mode. Happy birthday, Maki. Advance happy birthday, Mary Ann. And advance happy birthday, Shane. Magkakasunod pala kayo. My goodness. July, August. Happy birthday sa inyo, guys. Hi, guys. Long time no see, guys. Hello. Edit Feel Spanish has been busy for a long time. So this is our OTD. OOTD. Hindi pala nakunan yun yung mga na-shopping ko. Akala ko nakapag-shopping haul ako. Hindi pala nagre-record. Ayan lang ating mga sinapping. Nakabili ko ng sushi rice, 5 kilo. Gagawa ako ng sushi. Sa birthday ni Shane. Gagawa ako ng sushi sa birthday ni Shane. And then, is this recording? Oh yeah. Nakabili ko ng bag na pwedeng ilagay ang mga tablet, accessories. 3-in-1 siya sa Dangerfield. Nag-sale for my daughter. I got her this 3-in-1 bag. Can be a backpack, can be a handbag, and can be a side bag. ko siya, guys. Sa Dangerfield. Ayan, pag iba-backpack siya. Ayan, kapag handbag. And then sa side, kapag i-slide bag mo. So, not bad kasi nag-sale. I think it's Australian brand. And I got her a little light greenish greenish pants that embroidered. So look at that. And nakabili ako ng wet tissue for me. And what else? Clothes washing detergent. Long time no see, guys. Busy. You know, busy. Hindi pwedeng gumawa-gawa ng video. There's some others na hindi ko pwedeng i-share. I'm just waiting for someone. I'm not allowed here.
So, I don't know if you go next because Center is closed already.
Yeah. I'm just waiting for someone.
Someone working here?
Yeah.
Hi.
Okay, because I don't wanna go outside.
Oh, it's
But it's open there anytime if I want to go out.
you can go out, but
Oh my god.
Ah.
You made a song just for TikTok?
So means
What
you
are you,
can
a
go out,
simp?
but you can get in.
No.
Yeah, I just no, it's cold there. So I'm thinking better here. I already finished my shopping.
No.
Don't worry, I'm driving. I can get lost. You have the machine. I thought it's dirty. It's like a machine goes. Yeah. So it's like a round vacuum that nobody. I said, oh yeah, it's high tech now. Okay. Nandito. Nasarahan na pala ako.
No.
This is the bag. Okay, nasarahan na pala ako dito.
No.
Malamig sa labas. Ayoko pa lumabas. Okay, guys. Sorry for no videos for a long time. It's Spanish. Bahala na. Maglo-load kung maglo-load. Hindi maglo-load.
No. No.
Nalilinis yung
No.
our OTD for today. Okay. Waiting mode. Happy birthday, Maki. Advance happy birthday, Mary Ann. And advance happy birthday, Shane. Magkakasunod pala kayo. My goodness. July, August. Happy birthday sa inyo, guys.